Hello, in front of me I've got REALME C31. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app, tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Firstly, let's enter loyalty and select the loyalty card you would like to add. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Next, let's select gift card and similarly to loyalty card, select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.